Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing or hiding notifications in the status bar of Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. From the Control Center section, select Status Bar. The first option in Status Bar settings is Show Notification Icons. Enable this toggle to show notification icons in the status bar, or disable the toggle to turn it off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.